Hi, I'm recording how to open this heater just to clean it. I had a hard time try to figure it out. Have this screw. You can switch it over like this or that way, but it's not. So it has these kind of clips. Goes here and here and the other side. Then you can take the screws off, and then you can open it to clean it. I think there's 2 more screws over here. There we go. Took the top off. Guess it got so dusty, and then sometimes it shut themselves. Okay. Now you know how to open and clean it. Thank you for watching.